Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin ATMs, exploring everything you need to know about these increasingly popular machines. Bitcoin ATMs, also known as BTMs or Bitcoin Kiosks, are physical machines that allow users to buy or sell Bitcoin using cash or debit/credit cards. They function similarly to traditional ATMs but are specifically designed for handling Bitcoin transactions. Now, you might be wondering how Bitcoin ATMs work. Users can either buy Bitcoin by depositing cash into the machine or sell Bitcoin and receive cash in return. To initiate a transaction, users typically need to have a Bitcoin wallet address ready, either in the form of a QR code on their smartphone or a paper wallet. One of the most significant advantages of Bitcoin ATMs lies in their unparalleled accessibility. These machines are strategically deployed across a wide range of locations globally, ranging from shopping malls and convenience stores to airports and city centers. This extensive network of Bitcoin ATMs ensures that individuals have convenient access to cryptocurrency transactions regardless of their location or proximity to traditional banking infrastructure. Whether you're in a bustling urban area or a remote rural community, chances are there's a Bitcoin ATM nearby, ready to facilitate your cryptocurrency transactions. This accessibility is particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services or online cryptocurrency exchanges. For many people, especially those living in regions with limited banking infrastructure or financial services, Bitcoin ATMs represent a crucial gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. The convenience offered by Bitcoin ATMs extends beyond their physical presence in various locations. These machines typically operate 24/7, allowing users to buy or sell Bitcoin at any time of the day or night, without being bound by the opening hours of traditional financial institutions. This round-the-clock accessibility ensures that users have the flexibility to engage in cryptocurrency transactions whenever it's most convenient for them. Whether it's during regular business hours or in the middle of the night. The intuitive user interface of Bitcoin ATMs makes them easy to use for individuals of all experience levels, from seasoned cryptocurrency enthusiasts to newcomers. With simple instructions displayed on the machine's touchscreen interface, users can quickly and securely complete their transactions with ease. This user-friendly design ensures that even those who are unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies can navigate the process of buying or selling Bitcoin with confidence. The accessibility offered by Bitcoin ATMs plays a pivotal role in democratizing access to cryptocurrencies and driving mainstream adoption. By making it easier for individuals to buy and sell Bitcoin in their everyday lives. These machines are helping to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies, paving the way for a more inclusive and accessible financial future. But it's not just about convenience. Bitcoin ATMs also offer privacy and anonymity, which are important features for many users in the crypto community. Unlike online exchanges, which often require users to complete lengthy verification processes, Bitcoin ATMs typically have lower KYC, know your customer, requirements, allowing users to transact with relative anonymity. As governments worldwide grapple with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin ATM operators find themselves navigating a complex and evolving regulatory landscape. One of the primary issues stems from the lack of uniformity in regulatory frameworks across different jurisdictions. While some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies and adopted clear regulatory guidelines, others have taken a more cautious approach or imposed stringent regulations. This lack of consistency creates uncertainty for Bitcoin ATM operators, who must adapt to varying regulatory requirements and compliance standards depending on the jurisdictions in which they operate. Moreover, the absence of standardized regulations can lead to ambiguity and legal risks, as operators may face challenges interpreting and adhering to regulatory requirements that differ from one jurisdiction to another. In some cases, regulatory uncertainty may hinder the deployment of Bitcoin ATMs or impede their operation, limiting access to cryptocurrency services for users and stifling market growth. Evolving regulatory landscapes can introduce legal uncertainties and compliance risks for operators, potentially deterring investment and innovation in the Bitcoin ATM industry. Therefore, regulatory uncertainty remains a significant obstacle that Bitcoin ATM operators must navigate as they seek to expand their operations, enhance accessibility for users, and contribute to the broader adoption of cryptocurrencies worldwide. Indeed, despite the challenges posed by regulatory uncertainty and other operational hurdles, the popularity of Bitcoin ATMs is steadily on the rise. This surge in popularity underscores the growing mainstream acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, as a legitimate asset class and means of financial transactions. One of the primary drivers of this trend is the increasing demand for convenient and accessible avenues to buy and sell Bitcoin. Bitcoin ATMs offer users a straightforward and user-friendly interface, allowing them to purchase or sell Bitcoin using cash or other fiat currencies quickly. This accessibility is particularly appealing to individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services or online cryptocurrency exchanges. The proliferation of Bitcoin ATMs across various locations, including shopping malls, convenience stores, and other public spaces, enhances their visibility and accessibility to a broader audience. As a result, Bitcoin ATMs are becoming increasingly integrated into everyday life, providing a tangible and familiar gateway for individuals to enter the world of cryptocurrencies. The convenience and immediacy offered by Bitcoin ATMs appeal to both seasoned cryptocurrency enthusiasts and newcomers alike, further fueling their adoption and utilization. As the cryptocurrency market continues to mature and evolve, Bitcoin ATMs are poised to play an increasingly pivotal role in facilitating cryptocurrency transactions and driving mainstream adoption. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just getting started in the world of digital currencies, Bitcoin ATMs offer a convenient and accessible way to buy and sell Bitcoin. With their widespread availability and user-friendly interface, these machines are making cryptocurrency transactions more accessible to people around the world. And that wraps up our guide to Bitcoin ATMs.